Yo, what's up, everybody? It's a weekend, so today I woke up and decided, like, you know what? Let me actually record a video for you. So right now I'm about to do a market breakdown. As you have noticed, recently I've been dropping YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, and TikTok videos in order for me to run numbers and actually promote, like, my pages. And yeah, so in today's video I'm about to do something different. It's actually a market breakdown of AUDCAD, and I'm showing you like certain pairs that I've already analyzed and explaining them. This one is about to be a bit longer because recently got a 10K account. Yeah, I know I've been getting accounts here and there, mainly because I hardly follow my rules, and that's why I lose accounts. So yeah, stick around and let's switch to the chart. And as you can see on this side, this is actually my free Telegram channel. There's a link on my bio, like on my account, on my description, for the YouTube channel. So yeah, I just got affiliated with Good Funded Trader, hence you see this here, and yeah, there's more things to come as time goes by. So I actually have a few setups here, right? I'll analyze the AUDCAD for you guys, but I'm just trying to explain things here. So in case you're wondering what these arrows here and what do they mean, this is actually fractals. I'm not using William fractals, but I'm using fractals and fractals 240. I had to edit it and change colors and remove that zigzag line, right? So yeah, if you guys follow me on TikTok, you'll probably have noticed that I usually trade using 0.75, but recently I decided that I'm gonna go with 0.71. Yes, I know it's not like 1 to 3 as always, but I have a reason why I'm doing that. Mainly because I keep on missing certain trades, especially when it comes to US statement indices as such. I do miss out a lot, and yeah, I've decided like I'm gonna go use 0.71 in as much as like 0, is 2,112 to 2,45 if I place it correctly. Yeah, 1,245, somewhere around there. You see, it's 2,45. So yeah, on AUDNZD last week, there's a setup that I had for my Discord channel, whereby we're supposed to take buys from here to there, but I was not trading. I took a break for a while because I lost accounts again. Not because like I was wrong, but because I didn't follow my plan. I was actually greedy, and I got over excited that okay, let me risk this high so that I can make profit. And usually on my instant account I lost it because I was trying to hold over the weekend, which was the rule that I didn't pay attention to. But it does happen, man. Problems are not against us actually, because there's rules that you're supposed to follow, but I didn't read the guidelines and actually try to follow the right procedure by holding on the weekends. Because if you can see my account, on my Phase 1 account, I took losses and I took 5% out on a day. Because I took losses, I was like, nah, let me make it back, and I took losses again. And then on my instant funded account, I tried to hold over the weekend. But if we look into this, like, price has been very bullish for some time now. You see, there was a high. Sorry. If you try to notice, there was a high here and there was a low. There was a high. There was a low. There was a high. So basically, this high was taken out, right? In as much as it looks like liquidity, but the way price has been moving, it's moving slowly. So I don't think it's gonna take it out anytime soon. And even if it does, man, you know what I always say: we just predict the market and analyze how price might move, and we're not actually in control of whatever is happening. The outcome is, you have to wait, right? And also, this looks like a perfect change of character for me, because if you're looking into this, mini trend here, this mini trend where, I'm looking for this thing to draw a path. If you look into this, we're on a downtrend. So because we didn't continue like same break of structure here, this is actually a change of character because this high was taken out. So we're looking for a movement like this to continue to the upside, right? So yeah, this is basically it, man. For me, this is my personal trades that I'm about to take, same as GBPUD, but I'm gonna go down and actually show you guys what's happening. So on Euro AUD, this one I even did a breakdown on it via TikTok, and this is the same thing, man. You see, this one is actually continuation of sales, and we had a break of structure here, and this is actually a supply zone whereby price might come here and then drop down. Already I'm in this trade. I'm actually running in a loss, but man, it's only Tuesday today, so I'm gonna hold. I actually have like four setups that I'm about to enter, risking 1% each, less than 1% actually, but around 0.80, 0.90 to 1%. So yeah, same as here. This is liquidity break of structure, and then price kept being around and then dropped because you're supposed to sell from here. No. Actually, when I analyze, you're supposed to buy from here, then sell. Price decided to drop and go down because if you're in this telecom channel, you'll notice these setups were from last week. And then you're going to GBPNZD. Now the question is like, why did I take my Fibonacci from here up until there? Reason being because like once you broke this, actually this is a change of character, right? Once you had a change of character here, this was the high that took out this low. Hence, like I placed my Fibonacci from here to there. I think you get my point now. And then on Bitcoin, I actually set up, send it to the Telegram channel. I had it on the weekend. I sent it to the Telegram channel yesterday in the morning. But I don't trade Bitcoin, man. I just did it for the love of the game and actually try to see if it will actually go my way. Yeah, now that we are on AUDCAD, I'm just trying to break this thing for you. So guys, if you look into the AUDCAD, again bullish, and here we had like consolidation and then we took out this high, but I'm just gonna take a change of character from here, or I can even take it from here. It's not even a problem. So here we had a change of character, break of structure actually, because like you are in the bullish trend or long term. Because right now I decided I'm just gonna remove everything and use what's this thing, 4 hour and daily time frame as my favorite, right? So on the daily time frame, price was taken out here and we have a favorable gap imbalance, whatever that you decide to call it, depending on the strategy that you're using, right? So right now price is currently at that zone, at that imbalance, and if I have to use this to check if we are on a discounted area or but we're in the discounted area, not premium, because premium is above 50% and below 50% is discount. So this is where the term whereby they say buy low sell high comes from, right? I can even place my Fibonacci from here up until there, 75% zone, 71% zone, or 75, depending on whatever that I'm deciding to use. I place my stop loss here and then placing my take profit here. So if I open 0.10, I'm gonna risk 67% to make $67 to make 167, but I'm actually planning to risk 1% each and every time. So this is actually how the setup looks like. Simple as it is, man. This is actually simple. You don't have to overcomplicate things. And I'm not gonna edit this thing. Nah, I'm just gonna add like a song, a disclaimer at first, and yeah, let's actually take this trade also. So I'm just gonna send this setup to the Telegram channel. So on my free Telegram channel, I usually send like 3 setups maximum for the week, and I have my Discord channel as well, whereby like on that one I decided that I'm gonna be actually active. So I just send this setup now, and yeah, now that it's left is holding the trade. I might even hold for 2 weeks. I don't know. I recently bought like a 10k challenge account with Equity Edge. Reason being because I wanted to get that EURAUD account also. So yeah, man. I'm running on negative 22 USD on EURAUD currently. It's not that deep, man. It's not that deep actually. Let me just wait a few days. For a few days, then everything will work out. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and also refer anyone who is interested in learning how to use this strategy to this channel. It will help me to drop even more content. See you next video.